Complete Guide to the TOEFL Test, Lesson 6 Reference Questions. Reference questions ask you to look at the highlighted pronoun or other reference word in the passage. You are then given 4 nouns or noun phrases, usually taken from the paragraph, in a passage where the highlighted word is found. You must choose which of these words or phrases, called the reference. Yang di-refer berarti reference. The highlighted word refers to. Yep. 2 things to remember. The reference almost always comes before the reference word in passage. Nah, ini penting nih. Before. The reference is not always the noun that is closest to the reference word. It's not always the noun that is closest. Jadi tidak selamanya merupakan kata benda yang dekat dari reference itu. Referennya ini kita mencari referen. Sebelumkah atau jangan memang mencari setelahnya. Personal pronoun. Nah, here are some of the reference words you might be asked about. Ini beberapa yang bisa jadi yang ditanyakan. Personal pronouns are adjectives. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, their, theirs. Reflexive pronouns. Himself, herself, itself, themselves. Relative pronouns or adverbs. Who, whose, whom, which, that, where, when. Demonstrative pronouns or adjectives. This, that, this, those may also be used before nouns or noun phrases. Okay. This one, that time, these new ideas, those problems. Ya, noun maksudnya this, that, this, those ini bisa jadi digunakan sebelum noun maupun noun phrase. Seperti ini kan nounnya one, terus time. Phrasesnya new ideas atau problems. Problems kata, nouns. Other reference words. Nah, lain word reference yang lain itu some, few, any, none, several, both, here, there, most, many, one, once, another, other, others, the former, the later. Some of these words may also be used in phrases, bahkan ini bisa jadi ada yang dipakai di dalam frase. Some of these, several examples, both places, most of which, one theory, another process, and etc. To answer reference questions, first, look at the passage and read the sentence in which the highlighted word appears, and a few of the sentences that come before the sentence. Terus kita cari dulu di passage, terus kalimat, kita cek kalimat yang datang sebelum kalimat tersebut. If you can't decide immediately which of the 4 answers is correct, substitute each of the 4 choices for the highlighted reference word in the passage. Nah, ini taktik yang paling bagus sebenarnya saat kita sudah bingung untuk menentukan jawaban. Itu mengganti setiap dari 4 pilihan itu ke highlighted reference word-nya yang kita diminta cari. Here is a part of the passages from the reading preview test and reference questions about it. Pertanyaannya, the phrase these 2 locations in the passage refers to. Nah, kita cari dulu these 2 locations. Ini these 2 locations, terus kita diminta baca kalimat sebelumnya. Itu Kirkland's warblers are found only in few places in Michigan in the summer and fly to the Bahamas in winter. Jadi warblers ini ditemukan di beberapa sedikit tempat di Michigan saat musim panas dan terbang ke Bahama di saat musim dingin. Terus no physical barriers restrict the warblers, tidak ada batasan fisik yang menghalangi warblers ini di 2 lokasi, jadi bebas. 2 lokasi berarti kita cari sebelumnya, kita tidak mencari setelahnya. Jadi ini bisa jadi jawabannya adalah Michigan sama Bahama. Nah, jawaban yang betul adalah few places Michigan, Bahama. Jadi jawabannya adalah D. Bahamas and few places in Michigan. By reading the sentence, we see that the phrase these 2 locations refers to the 2 places where the Kirkland warblers is restricted, which are a few places in Michigan in the summer and the Bahamas in winter. The first choice gives Michigan as one of the places, but Appalachian Appalachian Highlands is mentioned in the passage as the habitat of type of salamander, now not the Kirkland warbler. The second choice correctly mentions the Bahamas, but also gives Brazil. Brazil is given a location of the Amazon River, which is mentioned as behavioral boundary for many types of birds, but not for Kirkland warblers. Ini lengkap penjelasannya karena disebut Brazil and Appalachian Highland. The third choice incorrectly gives both Appalachian Highlands and Brazil. Only the fourth choice gives both of the locations that the phrase these two words refers to. You will probably see 2 or 3 reference questions in the reading section. You may find that this is the easiest type of reading question, but be careful not to answer these questions so quickly that you make mistakes. Nah, dikatakan reference question ini sebenarnya yang paling gampang, tapi hati-hati juga karena bisa jadi kita membuat kesalahan karena saking gampangnya. Tadi disebut Appalachian Highlands. Kita cari dulu, kita sambil belajar yang lain. Appalachian Highlands. Nah, Appalachian Highlands ini sebenarnya apa? Blue spotted salamanders live only on mountain slopes. Jadi Appalachian Highlands ini tempat hidupnya salamander. Is mentioned in the passage as the habitat of type of salamander. Ya, bukan tempatnya Kirkland warbler. Nah, sedangkan Brazil, kenapa Brazil? Birds, ya. Kalau Brazil sama Amazon River Brazil itu batas merupakan batas dari banyak spesies burung-burung. Di sini disebutkan is given as the location of the Amazon River, which is mentioned as behavioral boundary for many types of birds. Merupakan batas behavioral untuk burung-burung, bukan untuk warbler. Warbler ini jenis bird yang berbeda. Nanti bisa di Google.